I was just scrolling here on TikTok and I came across a video of a girl talking about all of the courses out there that people are marketing are not teaching anybody anything. And I understand that. I've been there. I have been through multiple courses as an affiliate marketer. And did they teach me nothing? I'm not going to say they didn't teach me anything because I did learn, but I will let you know they were missing a lot of important information of how to successfully run a business online. And a lot of people will get hung up on you're just marketing the course, you're just marketing the course. I get that. I understand that. If you are a beginner, I actually do recommend you to start marketing the course because you have to have a product and you have to learn the skill. You just can't, wake up and know everything and start marketing something to do with health and fitness or pets or relationships. But I also want to emphasize when I go on my TikTok lives or when somebody does come in under me, I do let them know you do not have to market the course, okay? But this course, Learn and Earn Profits, this course there's nothing out there that is even comparable. There's nothing out there like this. And guys, it's a one-time investment of $497. And we teach you how to use a software, which is System.io, which is free. Okay. So we try to give you all the information you need up front. But what I want to let you know is you do not have to market the course. This training, this digital course, this education, I'm going to call it education, teaches you the skill to market and promote anything you want, but you do have to start out somewhere. So if you've never done anything before, you got to learn the skill. But this course alone fills in all the missing pieces, all the gaps that everybody has been out there searching for probably over a year, almost 2 years. I've learned so much in this course, from marketing to automation to now inside of our community. You are actually learning how to build your own digital product. We're going to go into Amazon Influencer. You're learning how to create your own emails. You're learning how to build a sales funnel. You're learning not to copy and paste people. You're learning how to brand yourself. You're learning how to do TikToks. You're learning how to show up here on TikTok and in your live videos with confidence, guys. If anything else, you go through this training and you feel good. You are surrounded by an amazing community. You need a community of like-minded people to support you. And I can tell you without a doubt that is there. And the training is phenomenal. Make sure you save this video and share this video because I am determined to get this message out.